The stunts performed in this video were done so by a literal amateur. This woman has no idea what she is doing and therefore does not recommend you try this at home. Seriously, go see a professional. Don't be like me. Oh, this is not gonna be okay. It's fine. I am mentally stable. I do this because I like it.
Why the fuck you lying?
What are you doing with that bleach? Somebody take it away from her, please.
No! Mommy!
Leon?
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
20 minutes later.
Hey, Luke! Ta-da! You here!
Yeah, this is maybe a little patchy. Trust the process. Leon. I didn't put on any barrier cream or anything because I'm an idiot.
A mess. She's a messy queen right now.
Want it?
Okay, let's see. Let's see how bad I did.
What are you doing, Mommy? Love you.
I love you too. Do you like my hair?
Yeah.
What color is it?
Hello.
And then there's still some like dark in there. It's Mommy didn't quite
Send me.
get it very even.
Send me. Cool. I'm
You think it's awesome? Good, because yours is the only opinion I care about.